My dear friend, you're just in time.
Can't wait to see what you have in store for us
We
today.
have a candle inside this bottle.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna light it, but the thing is, I can't reach. I can't reach into the bottle, so I have this nifty pencil right here and a bit of tape.
The pencil is nifty only because of you, sire.
Good, sir. Thank you. Let's attach this beautiful match to this mediocre pencil.
And make it a match made in heaven.
Exactly. Alright, now for
the blaze.
Yes.
Alrighty.
Safety first, obviously.
Down it goes.
Oh.
And the candle is lit.
It is ablaze. Perfect. Okay,
Splendid.
now we have this magical solution that I'm going to add a little bit of acrylic paint.
Quite crimson-y, isn't
It
it?
is definitely crimson, just so you can see the solution. Just a couple of drops. So it's nice and pinkish.
Perfect.
Beautiful. I'll do a little bit of a reference. Shaken, not stirred. Perfect. Okay. Now we will pour this magical solution inside the bottle. But let's try to aim it at the edge of the bottle. Just like that.
Concentration is key.
In this, it is indeed. You see it slide down the edge? That's what we want to achieve.
That's surface tension for you.
It is indeed, good sir. It is indeed.
And up the water went.
All right. If this works, we will have
Violated.
fully submerged in the water, yet still ablaze.
If this actually works, we're violating a couple of laws of physics, but who cares about that, sire, right?
Tomato, tomato.
Potato, potato.
Exactly, good sir, exactly. Are we there yet?
We have a rate of 50% completion.
Okay. All right. We're nearly there.
Almost there.
Are you ready?
I am ready. Are
Will
you
be
ready?
amazed? I was born ready. Oh!
And up it goes, and the flame is fully submerged into the water.
Look at that!
Wait,
What sorcery is this?
I don't know. What was that solution anyways?
Are you ready to know?
I am. What is it? That solution is called
Psych!
optical illusion. Bye!
What are you doing, bro?
Hey man, you're just in time. Check this out.
Wow.
So, this is an experiment.
Experiment again?
Yeah, again, I saw it online. I had to try it. All we're doing is just putting some oil in here.
Alright.
Alright,
And then?
there we go. Look at that beautiful yellow color. Isn't it so nice?
Yeah.
Alright, now, we need to put some water in there. It's just normal tap water.
Alright.
Okay.
Let's do.
Just like that. Look at it mix. Look at it mix. Alright. Alright, it's getting there. You see how the water is going to the bottom because it's
Yeah.
more dense? This is exactly what we need.
Cool.
Okay, now we're gonna get some glitter.
Ooh.
Do you have any color preferences?
Let's go with the red one.
Alright, how about we do two? We'll do two, do the reds. Look at this.
Yeah.
Bit of red. And let's follow up with some silver. Bit of silver.
Ooh.
Beautiful, beautiful. This is exactly what we need.
Nice.
Okay. Now, we're gonna add some food coloring.
Alright.
We're gonna use a syringe for this.
Let's go.
Alright, check this out.
What is this color? Blue?
This is blue, yes.
Alright.
So first, add some blue.
Ooh, nice.
There we go. And let's follow up with some nice juicy red. My favorite color.
Alright.
Guilty as charged.
So
There we go.
satisfying.
Alright, and now for the grand finale, but you need to help me. This is just a soluble tablet.
Alright.
Can you help me open it?
Normal?
Yeah.
Cool.
I already have some here,
Oh,
but we just need a couple more.
nice. Yeah. Here another one.
Thank you, man. Perfect, just what we need. Let's get rid of this. And now, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Alright, here goes nothing. Alright, now we wait for the reaction. It's starting to bubble already.
Wow.
Ooh, are you seeing this?
Wow.
Let me light it up for you.
Wow. Got the blue
How
and
does
the
that
red.
look?
Nice, nice, amazing.
Holy cow, that
Amazing.
looks nice. Alright, and that's how you make a DIY lava lamp, my friend.
Lava lamp, bro, yeah.
So cool.
Amazing, bro.
Look at these beautiful colors. So cool.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.